Hi, welcome, and I hope you're doing well. In this video here, I'll be doing a review on this brand new Acer Nitro 5 laptop. And this is a gaming laptop, and I just got it right out from the box, and I wanted to film and share my review on this video. So as you can see that the Acer shipped this computer to Amazon, and I got it from Amazon and they ship it to me. And if you want to buy the computer, I would have the link in the description below. So if you click on the link, it will direct you to Amazon, and this is where you can get this gaming laptop from. Alright, so it's right off the box. I open up the box and I slide out the computer. So the computer itself is pretty much very well packed. As you can see that this foamy plastic is very well packed all around the laptop here, and in that package you would see the manual book. So this is the Acer instruction books, or the manual that show you what it is in there, so on and so forth. Okay, and then the next one here, the booklet, this is actually plastic into it, right? So it's still in a wrapper, and I'm not sure what is inside, but I'm pretty sure it's just an instruction as well, nothing really fancy. But at the back here you can see that it comes with some kind of sticker, and go ahead and enjoy the sticker and stick it anywhere on your laptop if you like. And I believe this is the support instruction that tells you if you have a damage on a computer, call the hotline number. It's a 24/7 365 days a year. The number is 1-866-984-1849, or maybe go to the website and check out with them. Alright, so let's take before I take it apart to show you, but let's talk about the box here. So this box right here, it comes in from the computer, and what it is just pretty much charger. Okay, so you can see that there's a brand new charger here with the power cable. So this power cable, what you need to do is just plug it in, connect to this connector right here, plug it in, and there goes your charger. It looks like they do come with these little screws, and these screws are for your secondary hard drive. So it looks like the computer here allows you to upgrade to have two hard drive. One is the M.2 solid state drive. The second one would be the 2.5-inch regular hard drive for solid state drive. Alright, so let me go ahead and read the description, the specs on this computer here, and then we'll get to the computer right away after that. Okay, so if you take a look here, sorry about the angle on the camera. This is the best I could do, and this is the best I could show it to you about the specs on this computer here. So let's go through this quickly. This is an Acer computer, Nitro 5. I think the model here is AN515-55-59KS. Alright, obsidian black in color. If you can take a look here, the OS is Windows 10. The processor is going to be an i5 Intel 10 processor. Alright, so this is a 15.6-inch LCD screen. This is the graphics card, which is the 1650T. Okay, so this is an NVIDIA graphics card 1650T with the 4 gigabytes on it. The memory is 8 gigabytes RAM, DDR4. Storage capacity is 256 NVMe. So this is the M.2 drive. It doesn't have the optical drive. It does comes with the Bluetooth. It doesn't have the not sure what this is. WAN? Wireless? I'm pretty sure this is a wireless. It has a lithium ion battery and Microsoft 365 for 1 month free trial. So pretty much right off the box, those are the specs that you got here. And let's get to the computer. So let's go ahead and slide out the foam protection here. So slide it out on both sides, and you would get to have this fancy cloth This cloth is just to protect the laptop. Remove the cloth. This is the back of it. Bring it closer, show you the model number again. So this is Acer N20C1. This is the Nitro 5. Okay, so this is the specs. Take a look at that. And let's take a look at the side of the laptop here. So right here you have the Ethernet port. So this is where you can plug in your internet port right here. You have two USB 3.0 ports, and you have the headphones on the left side of the computer. So this is the left side because when you turn it around, it goes on the left here. So let's take a look on the right. The right here pretty much is just an HDMI, one USB 3, and also a USB-C. Alright, let's look at the front on the computer. There's only a charger port right here. There's nothing else. Okay, so this is the exhaust fan. If you can see, the two exhaust fan is blowing the hot air going towards away from you, and it's not blowing down the table. So I like the computer that blows the hot air away from you. It's not blowing to the table. That means the circulation is much more better. Okay, so I believe the intake is coming from the bottom. So you can actually see the fan blade. The fan blade is still around here, right? There are two fans, and the fan is intake of cool air coming from the bottom of the computer, and then the hot air is blowing away from the computer, which is a very good setup here. Alright, so I like the finishing on the Acer on the top here. Is very smooth. It's black. It looks like matte black, and it's very nice finishing. When you open up the screen, you have this little cover. Let's put a cover on the side, and this is how it looks like on the keyboard. Alright, so without turning on the computer, you can see like they have this bright red or bright orange red on the keyboard, and if you tilt at certain angle, you can see that it is all colored on the side of the keyboard as well. So the finishing is very nice, very bright. I like it, and the feel on the keyboard is very solid. I mean, the typing can be very soft. It doesn't make a lot of noise, and the feel on this is very good. So obviously you have the ASDW, and this is for, you know it, for gaming. Alright, so this is an Intel i5, the 10th gen processor, and NVIDIA 1650T graphics card. Alright, and this is the touchpad, left click and right click. So it's very good finishing, and here is the screen. And if you look at the screen, you get to see you have the built-in webcam and a built-in microphone right in front on the screen here. The screen here is matte. It's not glossy. You cannot see yourself. It's matte. It's very nice finishing on this. Alright, so this is pretty much it. This is a brand new computer here, and I hope you like the review, the open box. And if you have any question, comment below. I'll make a video on a separate channel, I'll make a video on a separate time to show you how to do a screen replacement, or maybe to do an upgrade on the M.2 SSD drive, or maybe the regular SSD drive. I'll take things apart, you know, how to clean the fan, or remove the motherboard, or change the keyboard on a different video here. So please make sure you click the like button, subscribe to the channel, so that you get the updates on what I'm gonna do for the next video. Alright, thank you, and take care, and I'll see you next time.